ইংরেজি অংশের সমাধান। প্রথম কোশ্চেন, নাউন অফ দ্য ওয়ার্ড পুয়ার ইজ ড্যাশ। পুয়ার এর নাউন ফর্ম poverty. The boy reads a book. What kind of verb reads in the sentence? Transitive verb. He seems to be happy with his achievement. Dash, does not he? Would you mind dash a cup of coffee with me? Having. What is the plural form of the word dear? Dear এর plural form dear. What is the synonym of alliance? Alliance is synonym association. What is the verb form of the word beauty? Beauty এর verb beautify. Which of the following sentence is incorrect? I heard him to read. He arrived here after you dash left এর had left. After এর পরে past perfect tense. Choose the correct meaning of the word adverse. Adverse এর অর্থ প্রতিকূল. Which of the following words is in singular form? Radius. Education is enlightening. Here enlightening is dash a participle. I saw dash one-eyed man when I was walking on the road. I saw a one-eyed man. Choose the correct sentence. Yesterday he went home. Yesterday থাকলে past indefinite tense. What is the masculine gender of mare? Mare এর masculine gender horse. None but the brave deserves the fair. In this sentence but is dash. But হচ্ছে preposition. Education is enlightening. Here enlightening is information. What is the noun form of propose? Propose এর noun form proposal. He gave me 5 books. In this sentence which is the adjective? এখানে adjective হচ্ছে 5. What is the meaning of the idiom smell a rat? Smell a rat এর meaning হচ্ছে suspect something. What is the correct spelling? Acknowledgement. He can make you do this means সে তোমাকে দিয়ে এটি করাতে পারবে. He can make you do this. My friend always goes home dash feet. 1 feet. What is the meaning of black sheep? Disgraceful person. He is popular dash world dash his goodness. With এবং for. We must not be late, else we will miss the train. This is a dash compound sentence. Correct passive form of the sentence. Are they known to you? Once in a blue moon means very rarely. 8 mean where concerned dash the plot. In the plot. Mutton is a dash material noun.